This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
If you do decide to go the press release route, here are two websites you can use to submit your press release, and then it will go to many journalists. One is PRWeb. This is the biggest and most popular one, and this one is PRLogorg. And this one I was recommended by a person who is deep in the publicity industry, and he said that actually this is smaller but preferred by journalists. There are thousands of journalists. I don't know how he got that metric, how he knew it was preferred, but I just included it in this lecture for you because you can try your press release in both. This is maybe because this is where most people submit it, so this is where professionals submit it. And so journalists might pay attention to this one a little bit more, and there's maybe a little bit less noise on this one, on the PR log. So maybe try the PR log first, see how it goes. They have some little bit of a free thing for you, and then a very cheap way to do your press release, and it's professional, goes out to many journalists, and if you get coverage in just one or two publications, that's probably worth the price. I think the starting point is about $20 or something like that. And even, yeah, like I said, just one publication mentioned, it's probably just worth that because you get a backlink to your site, you get some traffic, you get exposure. There's a lot of good benefits that might come out of it if it's successful.